Hello dear students, today we will learn about C language. So what is a C language? Hello, Namaste. YouTube. So what is a C language? A C language was a basic language which was started in year 1973 by scientist Dennis Ritchie at Bell Telephone Laboratories. C language was mainly developed for Unix operating system, but later C was used for different programming and gaming also. But earlier there were also more language which came before C, like B language, Fortran, and COBOL. COBOL and Fortran language is also written by C language. So C language was the most important language for the development of computer programming. So C language was used by many scientists and engineers. Okay, and there are few. Uh, C was the basic language. The basics of C language was keywords. So there were few keywords as we use in different programming language also, like int, float, char, double, and boolean. So computer only understand Boolean languages, that is 0 or 1. Binary languages, it is 0 and 1, and it is represented true and false. Like 0 and 1 represented binary number system. So C, the basics of C were this. As I explained you earlier that about keywords, like boolean, integer, float, and variables. There are certain rules of variables. Like we have to start with alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, or till Z, whether capital or small, but or underscore. We cannot start with it variable with a variable name with numbers because it is an error. And we cannot also use special characters like ampersand or question mark, exclamation mark, anything. We can only use underscore. Second was keywords. So keywords were important concept in C. Keyword, the integer size of the integer was 2 bytes. So but in default size of integer was 2 bytes. We can represent it as you can see in our whiteboard. We has written integer value is machine dependent, but the default size is 2 byte, and we can write, for example, we write int, then variable name, then value, that is 5, then semicolon. Then second was character. The size of character was 1 byte. There are 8 bytes in 1 byte, represented as CAR, char, and variable. Syntax is char and variable followed by semicolon. So declaration of variable is char C, and we can define any value definition, or we can define any value to it. For example, we can define any value like char c equals to, it is we can have any value for it can be represented as well, we can assign any value like a character, and it is written in single quotes, like we can say n. next keyword was Next keyword was float. Float. The size of float is 4 bytes, and it is represented, or its syntax is float followed by variable name. Simple. So float, for example, we can set float f equal to 0.5f. So float can be, this is how float can be explained. Next keyword is double. Next keyword is double. In double, the double keyword is used for a data type which is big, which is big, and in having a large numbers, which is used for large numbers. And float is also used for large number, but in decimal points. Double is also used for large number, but its size is, the size of double is 8 byte, and double is represented double keyword is represented, and its syntax, the syntax of double is double followed by variable name and semicolon. So this is a declaration of an double, and we can define any value, or we can assign any value to a double, like double d equal to 0.12345 d. So it is double. Data type is double. So next keyword is boolean. So in boolean, computer only explain binary language, that is 0 or 1, as I explained you earlier also. Boolean, and the value of 0 is false and 1 is true. So boolean have only two values, that is 0 and 1. So this is all about the data types. Next we will learn about constants. What are constants? So constants are the fixed value, uh, fixed value which is assigned to an variable. For example, it is represented const and equal to 5. So we can assign like int a is equals to 10. So here 10 is a constant value. So we can remember constant int a for y equal to 10. So here 10 is a constant value. So, okay, these are the basics and the introduction. As I have explained you about all the introduction about what is C, its history, its basic concepts like keywords, constant, and variables. And this today we will explain this much only. For complete information, please view our channel and please subscribe our channel. Please share our channel and like our video. And if you have any doubts or comments, you can send your comments on your comment box. Okay, dear friends, thank you. Right.